Yes. Okay, your condition. Start from Miss Afrina. Hello, Miss Afrina.
Hello, Miss.
How are you today, Miss?
Uh, Not good.
Okay, what happened?
I have had flu since yesterday.
Oh, you're sick, Miss?
Yes, so
Hmm.
yesterday I couldn't join your class.
Okay, that's okay, Miss. No props. What about now? How's your condition now?
Better than yesterday because I got my medicine.
Hmm. Have you checked to the doctor, Miss?
No, I only went to the pharmacy to
Hmm.
buy
Okay.
some medicine.
Yes, okay. Get well soon ya, Miss ya.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, Miss Dilla. Hello, Miss Dilla. How are you, Miss?
Hi, Miss. Yeah, I'm good today.
Okay,
How about you?
I'm good. Same like you. Yes. What about your report, Miss? How is it
Wah,
going?
it is a long apa ya? Perjalanan panjang apa, Miss?
A long journey.
A
Yeah.
long journey until next year.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, Miss Dilla.
Thank
What about
you.
you? Yeah, Miss. What about you, Mr. Christian? Hello, Miss Christian. Mister. Okay. How are
Hello,
you?
Miss.
Yeah, how are you, Mister?
Now I'm good,
I'm good. But
but I'm still working from home.
oh, okay, working from home. Okay. Mister, I have a great question for you. This is related to our materials today, which is tourism. Okay. When was the last time you get your holiday, Mister? I mean, where is the last tourist destination that you visit?
Hmm. A long time for holidays ya.
Yes.
Destination. But uh apa last week I have dinner with my big family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe that's my apa ya
Your last holiday
holidays ya.
activity. Okay. Where is
Yeah.
that, Mister? Where was that happened?
Dinner with my big family.
Mm-hmm. Where is that? In Jakarta or
Yeah, in Jakarta.
Jakarta? Okay, that's great. Yes. And then what about you, Miss Tian? How are you, Miss Tian?
Hello, Miss.
Yeah,
I'm fine.
I'm
Thank
fine.
you.
Okay. When is the last time you go to a tourist destination, Miss Tian?
The last time
Mhm.
is atau was ya, Miss ya? Was ya.
Was.
The last time was uh in the last of November,
Oh,
23 November.
23 November. Oh, it's been 2 years ago, Miss.
Uh,
Mhm.
Sorry.
Okay.
uh, in this year,
Mhm.
2025.
Oh, 2025.
Yeah,
Okay.
on
Yeah,
November.
in November. Where is that, Miss? Where was that?
I go to travel. I go travel to China, Changjiajie,
Oh, in China. Okay, that's great.
China. Yeah,
Yeah. With your family, right?
with my family. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Tian. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're welcome, Miss.
Yes, okay. Oh, sorry. Our topic today is about music. Oh, turis-turisnya tuh besok. Ya. Oke, tentang musik ya, Mister ya. Oke, sorry. Okay, today we're gonna start by talking about music. Okay, there are several kind of vocabulary which is noun, verb, and adjective. Could you please help me to read the vocabularies, Miss? Okay, Miss Afrina, could you please help me? The
Okay.
left one. Mhm.
Mhm.
Yes.
Musician,
Mhm.
producer, singer, songwriter,
Yes.
choir,
It's choir.
choir.
Yeah, it's very
Very
different.
different.
Yeah.
Choir,
Yeah. Mhm.
choir, singer,
Yeah.
melody,
Mhm.
album, I don't know, is rhyme,
Rhyme, benar.
duet.
Duet, yes, duet. And then next, Miss Tian. Ya, Miss Tian.
Sulit-sulit ya. Ini
Ini genre. Ballad.
Ballad. Chorus.
Ya, oke.
Ini sulit banget. Aku nggak pernah bacain yang kayak gini.
Lyrics.
Lyrics.
Ya,
Oke.
I'll help
Pop.
you, Miss.
Oke. Pop music.
Yes.
Pop song.
Ya.
Rap.
Ya.
Rapper.
Ya.
Reggae music.
Yes.
Acapella.
Ya.
Copyright.
Yes, copyright. Good. Agak asing ya ininya ya.
Agak asing sekali.
Iya. Mr. Christian, could you please help me to read verb from the produce until rap?
Okay, Miss.
Mhm.
First is produce a music ya.
Produce a music, betul.
Produce a music,
Mhm.
perform a cappella,
Ya.
record the ballad,
Mhm.
arrange pop music,
Yes.
put music on or play pop music,
Mhm.
turn the reggae,
Reggae music down.
turn the reggae music down,
Mhm.
turn the pop song up,
Yes.
interpret the lyrics of that song,
Yes.
lip sync Selena's song,
Mhm.
mute the rap sound,
Yeah.
rap about a hard life.
Rap about a heart
A hard life.
life. Good. Thank you, Mr. Christian. Yeah, and then last, the last, Miss Stella, could you please help me, Miss?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Ya. Hmm. Hmm. Hard ya. Nostalgic.
Yes.
Harmonious.
Yes.
Bener ya, Miss? Harmonious.
Betul.
Oke. Easy listening.
Yes.
Relaxing. Classic.
Yeah.
Mesmerizing.
Yes.
Soulful.
Mhm.
Emotional.
Yeah.
Life-changing. Melodious.
Melodious. Oke. Lumayan ya, Mister ya. Nanti
Iya, sudah tulis ya, Miss.
Iya. Kan bentar lagi mau ke ini. Kalau setelah basic biasanya lanjut ke intermediate ya, Miss ya.
Mau
Kelasnya.
ke advance langsung, Miss.
Oh, mau ke advance langsung? Boleh. Atau mau ke IELTS langsung, Miss? Boleh. Oke, good. Ya tadi ya. And then ini vocabnya Miss Mister nanti kalau karena ini masih kayak terasa asing, Miss Mister boleh nanti dipakainya mungkin 1, 2, 3 begitu boleh. Tapi nanti sambil baca juga boleh. And then kita ke question. Di sini questionnya tentang music. I only give you 8 question. I hope you guys can give question to your partner, each other. Jadi nanti saling ngasih pertanyaan begitu ya, agar lebih interaktif begitu. Kalau misalnya questionnya nanti ternyata kurang, Mister improvisasi, boleh sekali untuk tanya yang lain ya, yang mungkin tidak ada di question ini. Oke, there are asking and response. The first block, kotak yang pertama ini, kurang lebih menanyakan tentang musik apa sih yang disukai begitu ya. There are several expression The first is what kind of music do you like the best? And then what sort of music are you into? What type of music do you like to listen to? Listen ini pronounce-nya kayak T-nya hilang ya, Miss ya. Listen, okay, listen to. And then what genres of music do you like the most? And then what piece of music do you like? Jadi ini untuk menanyakan jenis musiknya apa. Jadi responnya adalah I enjoy listening to jazz music the most. Ternyata dia suka jazz music. The most itu berarti paling atau yang paling disukai, paling dinikmati, sama ya. And then I am extremely into hip hop. Berarti aku sangat suka sama hip hop. Or I'm really keen on classical music. Sama keen on itu artinya juga suka. And then I'm crazy about pop music. Aku tergila-gila dengan pop music, dengan musik pop. And then lately I've been listening to pop songs a lot. Akhir-akhir ini aku sudah dan sampai sekarang masih mendengarkan pop music banyak-banyak. Berarti dia memang suka-sukanya begitu ya. And then the second question, what about the type of music what about the type of music you dislike? Sorry. And why is that? You can answer by giving expression like this. I guess I'm just not really into the rock music. I'm not sure. I feel that this music is too noisy to listen to, and I don't feel comfortable with this. Aku kira aku tidak terlalu suka dengan rock music. Aku nggak terlalu yakin gitu ya. I feel that aku merasa bahwa musik ini terlalu noise, terlalu berisik untuk didengarkan dan tidak merasa nyaman dengan musik rock. Kira-kira Miss Mister apakah sama kasusnya? Jika iya nanti silahkan ya dijawab saja. And then do you have a favorite musician or singer, or who's the singer you like the best? Nanti Miss Mister tanya salah satu saja ya. What singer would you consider your favorites? Kalau misal Miss Mister sudah ada nih bayang-bayang kira-kira siapa, either Indonesian or English singer, it's up to you ya. Jadi boleh kira-kira Indonesian atau mungkin American, or probably England, from someone from England, the actor or singer from England. It's up to you, Miss Mister. For example, yes, I have. I'm a big fan of Lady Gaga and Selena Gomez gitu. Or you can say I'm a big fan of Miley Cyrus, a talented US singer, songwriter, and actress gitu ya. Nanti silahkan disebut siapa. Kalau Indonesia biasanya kalau sekarang lagi suka Nicki ya. Lagi suka Nicki yang sekarang go internasional. And then what interests you in that type of music? Kira-kira apa yang bikin tertarik dengan tipe musik itu? Misalnya nih, saya mau jawab begini. I just find it cool, that's all. Boleh. Aku ngerasa kayak itu keren gitu, dan itu saja gitu. Itu boleh. Atau misalnya Miss Mister suka rock music. I love rock music, they make me feel more energized. Rock musik itu bikin lebih punya energik ya, begitu ya. And then, how often do you listen to music? Seberapa sering sih mendengarkan musik? And then you can say, I spend a lot of my time listening to various kinds of music every day. Aku menghabiskan banyak waktu mendengarkan beberapa jenis musik setiap hari. Jadi ini hampir tidak terhitung ya. Or you can say, I usually listen to music all day with an MP3 player. Berarti all day berarti sepanjang hari ya, gitu. Begitu. Ini kalau pertanyaan nomor 6, Miss Mister. How much time a day do you spend listening to music? Kalau Miss Mister ada waktunya, for example, I usually listen to music for 3 hours in a day. Itu boleh. Ya, silakan. And then number 7, do you feel relaxed listening to music? Apakah Miss Mister merasa relax, merasa kayak nyaman ketika mendengarkan music? Sure, I feel like there are no more worries in the world. Kayak nggak ada cemas-cemasnya di dunia ini, gitu. Apapun yang terjadi, yang penting musikan, gitu ya. And then the last, is music important to us, or why is music important to us? You can say, yeah, I totally say yes, because music has the power of beautifying our life. Musik punya kekuatan untuk mempercantik hidup kita. Jadi itu juga boleh jadikan jawaban. Oke. Miss Mister, any question before continue to grammar? Ada pertanyaan?
Miss, kalau
Ya,
grup band bahasa Inggrisnya apa, Miss?
grup band itu sama, Miss, sama. Grup band.
Oh, sama ya. Oke,
Ya.
Miss.
Yes. Oke, kalau misalnya boy band itu juga sama ya, boy and girl band sama grup band. Oke. Thank you, Miss. And then let's continue to grammar. This is quite I don't say this is hard, but it just is so in the middle between hard and easy, of course, because probably Miss Mister already used this kind of conjunction atau kata hubung, tapi mungkin tidak sadar itu termasuk kategori apa, begitu ya. And then kalau kemarin we're talking about coordinative conjunction, which is, ada yang masih ingat Miss Sister kemarin bahasnya apa?
Fun boys bukan, Miss?
Fun Boys, betul. Boleh di ini Miss, kepanjangan dari Fun Boys kira-kira apa?
For and nor but
Ya,
boys or yet,
heeh.
ya kan ya? Udah ya.
S-nya, S-nya.
So,
So, okay, great. Okay, and then today we're gonna talk about correlative conjunction. Sebenarnya ini masih ada hubungannya dengan Fun Boys, tapi ini nanti ada pasangannya, Miss, ya. Ada 5 di sini correlative conjunction. Korelatif kan saling berhubungan ya. Yang pertama adalah both dan and. Ya, saya langsung kasih contoh di sini. Artinya keduanya dan. Oke, keduanya dan. Miss Mister kalau misal punya ada dua yang bareng-bareng begitu, Miss Mister kasih both and. Itu nanti kalau misal kita bicara writing, kita bicara speaking, itu nanti akan mendapat nilai lebih. Apalagi kalau Miss Mister yang orientasinya nanti ke IELTS, begitu ya. Example, both the actor and the director attended the premiere. Dua-duanya, keduanya, aktor dan direktur ya, mengikuti rilis film yang pertama kali muncul ya. Jadi begitu. Ada aktor sama direktor, kedua-duanya. Dan dua-duanya harus dipakai di sini ya, both actor and director. And then the second example, she likes both horror and thriller movies. Dia suka dua-duanya, horror sama thriller movies. Ini berarti kan menunjukkan ada dua nih. Daripada Miss Mister hanya bilang she likes horror and thriller movies, itu kita bisa bilang itu termasuk simple sentence. Nah, di sini ada namanya complex sentence yang lebih advance lagi ya tingkatannya karena kita sudah berani menggunakan conjunction. And then the second one, not only but also. Ini pasti Miss Miss juga sering pakai ya. I'll give you example. You can not only but also. Oh, ini kebalik Miss. Oke, saya pindah di atas ya. Oke. Oke. Saya bedakan lewat warna ya. Di sini, the movie is not only scary but also meaningful. Si filmnya itu tidak hanya menakutkan, tetapi juga berarti banyak ya di sini. Nah, di sini dipakai not only but also. Harus sama ya, Miss, kalau ada not only pasangannya but also begitu. And then the third one, neither nor. Artinya baik maupun tidak ya. Contohnya, neither the plot nor the acting was interesting. Tidak plot itu alur, baik alur maupun actingnya itu tidak menarik. Jadi artinya tetap tidak ya, karena ekspresi negatif. Or, neither my friends nor I am afraid of horror movies. Baik temanku maupun aku ya tidak takut horror movies. Ya, artinya tidak ya, Mister ya. And then next, the third one, either or. Jika bukan berarti. Oke. Either di sini, you can either watch the movie at home or go to the theater. Kamu bisa menonton movie di rumah atau pergi ke bioskop. Ya, artinya tadi jika bukan ya, jika bukan menonton movie di rumah, kamu bisa juga pergi ke theater atau pergi ke theater atau bioskop itu ya. Jadi ada opsi di sini ya. Either watch the movie at home or go to the theater. Or contoh yang lain, either the teacher or the students are responsible. Baik guru atau students, murid itu sama-sama bertanggung jawab. Jadi dua-duanya ada gitu. And then the last one, whether and or. Example-nya, I will watch the movie whether it is good or bad. Aku akan tetap nonton si film itu, whether apakah baik itu bagus atau buruk gitu. Aku akan menonton film itu, baik itu bagus maupun buruk begitu. Oke, untuk korelatif seperti itu, Mister grammar hari ini. Oke, as usual, I'll give you around, tadi kan kita lumayan terlambat ya. It's around 30 minutes to, to have a great conversation with your partner. Of course, I will give you, breakout room session. And then I hope you guys can talk anything about music because I think it's very interesting topic, right? Especially for you guys that had keen on the music, and especially if you, if you are interested in several genres, genre yang banyak, misalnya jazz, hip hop, pop, atau mungkin kalau di Indonesia mungkin sejenis ini ya, dangdut ya. Kalau dangdut berarti sama aja ya, nanti bilangnya tetap dangdut. Oke. Ini ada 6, jadi akan saya bagi jadi 3 breakout room session. Sorry. Mau 2-2 atau 3-3, Miss? Mau berapa?
3-3 aja, Miss.
Oh, 3-3 aja.
Saya nggak bisa ngomong soalnya.
Biar lebih rame ya, Mister ya.
Kasihan nanti yang lawannya saya nanti nggak bisa ngomong.
Ya, Mister sudah ada kemajuan kok, Mister.
Nanti mau daftar lagi nih, saya dari awal lagi nanti. Cuman nggak pilih session kayaknya. Pilih paling dasar deh, apa kayak grammar kayaknya apa.
Sabar ya, Mister. Lagi ini peak season, Mister. Desember, Mister.
Salah masuk saya ini.
Salah masuk. Oke, saya ini ya. Breakout room session. Oke, time is yours. Mister, silahkan dioptimalkan ya. Oke, silahkan. Oke. Yes. Good. Silahkan masuk ruang masing-masing. Ya. Ini ada yang dua ya, Mister ya. Nah, tadi Mister Arvin keluar. Oke. Oke. Semangat.